Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We're gonna talk about TradingView and how to configure TradingView to the best layout to work with Elliott wave principle. So on the top you can see NVIDIA. By the way, I'm using the TradingView app, and on this row from the left to right, this is the logo. This is the logo of your account, the symbol that is in NVIDIA. This is to add another symbol if you wish to compare. Okay. This is the time frame. You can change the time frame. This is daily, 4 hour. You see the chart changing. And then here you can change the type of candles if you want candles, volume candles, or the bars. This is the ones we use with more commonly with Elliott wave principle. I'll show you later. The indicators, you can add several indicators, just for example RSI, and it appears here. Okay, and then you select and it appears here on the bottom. Okay, but let's move forward. This is to add some alerts. This is to have the replay action if you want to see the action from a past point. And here on the right side, this is the name of the layout. You can create several layouts on the TradingView. And let's move to the most important one, to configure. Let's go straight to the point. Now, before you clicking here on the settings, on this gear symbol, it's easier to go here and select already bars. Okay, and then go to settings, and on the symbol you can select black and black. This is up to you. Now go to canvas. Okay, the background solid color, and you can use white. I use a little bit gray, okay, just because of the the eyes don't get tired that much. Yeah, that's it. You can save this as a template. Save as, you can see here. Okay, I already have two I have two templates. Yes, for example this one and this one. And if you select apply default, it goes to the same one. Okay, and press OK. And normally if you are analyzing especially long-term time frames, you can go here on the corner, as you can see, auto fit and logarithm. You select this L, logarithmic, and you can see that already change the layout of the NVIDIA chart, and this will make it way easier to read it, especially on long-term charts like daily, weeklies. If you can see like this, see, it changed a lot. Logarithmic is easier because it takes in consideration the percentage of the move, not the price of the move. And by the way, if you want to use the Elliott wave labelings, you go to the left column and you select this symbol over here. Normally it's this one that is selected, but after you select one of these, one of these symbols will be, the one that you select will be used here on the next time. So yeah, here you can select, for example, the Elliott wave impulse, and this is just to show you. I'm not analyzing this properly, okay? I'm just showing you. You select where it starts, for example here, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then this bar appears. You can select the settings and change the cycle, for example primary, and then these labels change. So yeah, that's it, that's all, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.